Jackie, Kath, I want to thank you guys for coming on such short notice.
Sure. Anytime.
Appreciate it.
No
Did you have a rough day today or anything, planning for this or thinking about it or anything?
No, I think it's all good.
Right. But what my ideas are our ideas. I know that Larry pranked us by sending the cats to Maryland while we were camping. We had the cat shoved under the car, which drove us absolutely crazy. So when we were camping alongside the roads heading to the campground in Maryland, we started seeing all these signs for produce. What better way to maybe get back at him, we thought, was to put free produce signs out. So people pull in the driveway at Larry's house and they're up, hey, we see you got free produce. We want free produce. And what's Larry? Larry, he'll panic. He ain't gonna know what to do. So he's gonna get all upset.
As soon as he sees a car pulling in.
Right, and he's gonna get nervous. Yeah, just having a car pulling, he's gonna get nervous.
Yeah.
So I thought Kathy would be perfect for the person that goes to the door because
Never met him.
Never met him. I think that would be perfect. You got a hell of a personality. You're good, good on your feet. You can just wing anything at any given time. So I think it would be a perfect fit.
That sounds good.
So basically, we'll hide out after, but after we put the signs out, and then she can go do her
He's
thing
not
at
gonna
the door.
shoot me, is he?
Oh no, I don't think he's shooting.
Trespasser.
What's that?
Trespasser.
Yeah, trespass. No, I don't think so. Because he's usually open armed. Because people sometimes stop at his house anyway, ask for directions, stupid stuff. So yeah, I don't think we'll give any problem like that. But I think the better you play it off, the more he's going to feel so awkward about it. So, but that's our idea. Everybody game?
I'm ready.
Okay. Because JT will be here in a bit. He was working late, so once he gets here, we'll go over the final stuff and then head on over if that's okay.
Sounds
How many
great.
signs you planting? I see
4.
some of them over there.
We've got 4 signs, and my lovely assistant, my lovely editor, my lovely director created all those signs on the computer today, so I think we're ready.
All right, where are you planning on putting them?
Well, the first sign will be at the edge of the road, and then we're going to...
Where the driveway is?
Yeah, right at the edge of the road, his driveway.
Right.
Put one there that has the produce, free produce on it, and then as it progresses into the driveway, there'll be other things that she has created to put on the signs, and then work your way up to the house, basically.
Okay, that
So
sounds
then,
good.
what we're going to do, we're going to be hiding around the corner in the little crook there, and try to take some bids.
And Jack, they threw you under the bus.
They threw me under the bus.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They had you in cahoots with Kevin. Larry came over here waving the white flag,
Oh, for the
lying, toasting to this lie that there's a truce and that you and Kevin are in cahoots.
Yeah, you were the culprits. You're the ones that did all this.
Why would I go in with Kevin?
Exactly. That's exactly what we were saying.
And then we waited till he left, and then all of a sudden we started hearing those cat squeakers or whatever they had. They stuck them in a trailer and in the car, and that's all we heard for a week. So, but yeah, they threw you under the bus.
I really want to play it.
Yeah.
So I know you'd absolutely be in on this.
Oh, yeah.
I'm ready for some free tomatoes. Bring it.
Oh, and I'm just gonna love you. Gosh, I wish I was a fly.
Yeah. Well, you're going to be close enough, I think, with the camera.
I'm gonna
so
try.
Catch the majority
I'm gonna
of it.
try.
I'll speak loudly.
Okay.
All right, let's just wait for JT to get here and then get the game.
go.
Let the games begin.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Here's the prodigal son. Hey, it's
One
about
of 'em
time
anyway.
you showed up. What? Did you have to work long hours today?
Yeah, I've come for my shower since I don't have any hot water.
That sucks.
Yeah.
When was the last time you bathed?
That's terrible. You get a new house and you have no hot water.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm filming you
Obviously, but why?
because you're going to help us.
All right.
Take
Here's
a
the
seat.
plan.
Your dad has a
Here's the
plan.
abridged version.
How's Kate been? Was she good?
Yeah.
JT,
Thank you.
Kathy,
You
JT.
met.
Nice to meet
I
you.
saw you
Aunt Jackie,
dinner one
JT,
night.
Aunt Jackie, JT, whatever. So what the plan is, we're going to real quickly, I'll tell you what it is. Your mother made some signs up, which are right here. We're going to go over to Larry's and pay him back for the stupid cat sounds that he put under your mom's car in our trailer.
No idea.
I know. I'm just trying to give you the quick abridged version. So these are the signs your mom made. So what's going to happen,
Yeah, how did Mom make these?
these are your political signs if you can't see it through here.
That's the last one. Huh?
I only had like 4 of them. All the other ones were painted into the Hickson
Wait a minute,
Independent.
Well, your dad
Detroit.
told me that you had some in your garage.
No.
So he said I could use them.
No, I meant to come
That's
grab
the last
these.
one,
When
hon.
did you met? You've been gone for how long?
All right,
You
look,
meant to
let's
come to your
focus.
motorcycle and the rolls of carpet too?
Can we focus?
Okay, here. This
We're
is
doing
gonna
a
be
prank.
Nope, that's going to be the last one. Here's going to be the first one. So out at the road, it's going to say free fresh produce. The free is the key word here. New Jersey free too.
USDA organic.
So your mom had a
certified.
lot to do today making these signs. She did a great job painting them, everything. So then the next one's going to be crunchy carrots,
Oh,
tasty
Jersey's new.
tomatoes.
No, that's the third one. You're going out of order, but that's
Oh,
okay.
It's all right. And
I
then
mean,
the
honestly, I
finale.
would lead with the carrots.
Here's the finale. Here's the best one there. Look.
It looks like a monkey.
Right. So Kathy's going to be the person that comes up to the door. She's going to come up as like a non-profit person, seeing the free fresh
To
produce.
feed my children that
Yes.
are in need
Okay.
in my care.
Right.
Okay.
And she's going to play it off. And then after seeing this one, she's going to be screaming at Larry because she'll think he's deaf. She'll be pounding on the door, talking loud to him, obnoxiously like that,
Okay.
demanding free produce for her children, the nonprofit, and how dare he not provide it. All right?
Okay.
So then we're going to be over on the cubby hole where we start croquet usually.
And then we're gonna shoot them with paintballs.
No, we should do the paintballs one day though, but we can't say more about that.
Ah,
So,
we don't have
and
any
then
paintballs.
once
Have to fill up with CO2.
once
and
Kathy does her
No.
perfect, roll, then we're going to be, as Larry goes to hopefully walk around and sees these signs, then we're going to pelt him with all this fresh fruit.
We're not going to throw them hard. What do you mean pelt
Throw
him?
lettuce hard.
Right.
You can try.
But there's carrots in there, there's tomatoes in there. It's going to be an
Do you want me
assortment
to
of things.
follow him as he's going to look for the signs and keep at it?
If you
Yeah,
want.
you could.
You could do that, but just don't get in, harm's way with shit flying everywhere.
I'll stand
or if
behind
you
him.
want, I mean, when you get done, basically berating him about, sticking it to your little kids, then you could just jump in your truck and leave. But that's up to you. You play it the way you want to play it, and that's why I said earlier I think she's good, perfect for the role.
Okay.
So-
How about we juice that and put it in super soakers?
No, I don't think
No.
that'd take
that
too
won't
much time.
come out right.
Oh, juice a couple.
Right.
Still.
Good idea, but I think it's a little much for today's mission. So.
Okay, so
All
we'll
right.
get all our stuff together and then we'll head over there and scope the place out.
In daylight?
And then
Yep.
and then you're going to be if he's there, he's always on the back. He's always either in the lounge or in the house. He's never out front.
Okay.
All right.
We'll
so
be-
let's pack everything up, get everything ready. We'll head over there, do a quick hitter. You can put the signs out, and we'll get started. All right. Everybody's up to date, knows the plan, right?
Yep.
All right. So once we get in there, JT's going to put the signs out in the
My
order.
signs.
Yep. Your signs, and in the order your mother has assigned for her. And then once we get back, then
I'm
you
going.
take off and go around the corner, and then we'll take our position right behind the rhododendron, right in the cook.
Yep.
And we'll wait for you to do your thing. All
right.
right.
All right, let's go.
Jack, you
Where
got
are
the
these
fruit?
going?
I got the fruit.
Okay, watch your head, hon.
Where specifically are these going?
We're going that way. Come on, let's go.
All right, lead the way. I don't know where to get these. I can't believe you didn't even ask me about these.
I'm just going to turn these truck around.
Okay. That's a good idea, Kathy.
Can we go this way?
Huh? No, I don't know if there's a path.
Like, as much as I hated being in an office, I still would have liked to keep them for the memories.
What are you talking about?
I printed my signs!
Oh. Well, your father told me you had 2 more. Will you just let it go?
Hey, where do we go?
What? I know, he's got it all blocked off.
Yeah, he's got little barricades.
There's a green wire sticking
All right,
through there.
first of all, we can't be too loud.
Come on, Jack, clear the path.
Watch it in case there's any poison ivy.
No, there's no poison out here. We'll let Jackie clear the path anyway. Step on the tree, huh? Good?
Quiet,
Check the
quiet.
text.
Yeah, still legs.
Jeez.
All right, Jane. We gotta run down. We gotta go down that way.
Okay, and then
The first sign
This
is the
one?
free produce that goes to the front of the driveway.
very front of the driveway?
Yes.
Okay, and then what?
And then we're gonna put them up as you'll see.
Along with
Go place one.
Jesus.
Shh.
Sounds like I hear voices back there, so it sounds like they're back there, but I can't see.
Okay. We'll be quiet. Now we gotta tiptoe.
I tiptoeing?
Yes, you
I'm
can.
205 pounds. There's no tiptoeing.
You can tiptoe.
Perfect. Did you tell me the order?
The tasty tomatoes.
Yes, tasty tomatoes.
Yes. Like right there.
Perfect.
I'll take one.
That's good.
Direct.
His is next.
They are cute. Tell me where.
That's good.
Good.
Perfect.
All right, now what? Now we go
Now we
hide.
go over here. I guess they're in the kitchen. I don't know. We're going to throw that, all that
Are
out.
we going back out there for her?
When they come out to get the signs.
All right, see this.
Okay, there she goes. There she goes. Okay. What? Stop. Okay. You guys ready?
What are we doing?
We're waiting. We're waiting. You have to be quiet. What? Weren't you paying attention earlier?
He doesn't pay attention. He takes after you.
Hi. I am here for the free produce. Produce. So you could hear me?
I can hear a doorbell.
It's okay. I have a non-profit and I have little children and they need to eat and I saw free produce.
Who put that there? Did you put that there?
I saw free produce.
What do you mean you saw it? Why are you talking so loud?
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, you can't hear?
No, I can
You're
hear.
hard of hearing?
I am not hard of hearing.
Well, then why are you
The
doing
sign.
this?
The
I'm
sign.
very confused.
The
Why are you
sign.
doing- What sign?
The sign.
It's sold.
The sign. I need free produce for my children.
I don't have free produce.
Free produce.
I don't have free
You
produce.
have produce. Yeah, I see it like a farm. For
There's
God's
no,
sake.
there's nothing.
It's like a farm.
There's nothing right about
You're
here.
gonna starve my
the
children.
kitties-
Listen.
Well,
They have no parents.
He's not starving anybody, Carrie.
No, excuse me.
Well, I mean, you're telling him he's
Don't
gonna
be
starve
Karen.
someone. What are you telling me?
What's your name?
Why are you doing
Don't
this?
eat them.
Don't put back on.
Look, you're advertising free
We're
carrots
not
and
advertising.
tomatoes and lettuce and
I
peas.
don't have any produce.
What's you haven't got it?
Nothing's right back there. I got little tiny things. I didn't put the signs here. You put the
I have a
signs here.
non-profit. A non-profit. These children need nothing to go find their food. And now I have their food.
Are you serious?
Yes. Where am I? Can you please?
Yeah, is
Can
this-
I go pick some?
No, you can't pick
No, he doesn't have any produce.
Obviously.
This is not real. I mean, he's got a form. That means, all right. Well, in her defense, this produce is probably ready. And there's some radishes and stuff, Larry. There's radishes probably ready.
You're gonna starve.
Go!
Tasty tomatoes? Tossing your salad.
Oh my God! I'm hit. That's all about the cat sounds, isn't it?
Go, run!
Larry, deaf old man. Great job. That was great.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Where's your carrot?
High five!
You should have had
That
more.
was great! That was so good!
Let's get out of here.
Huh?
Let's go.
Jackie, get your shoes.
Hey, get your shoes, Jack.
Good job. Good job. Woo!